Hello everyone, we are Group 6. The theme of group is virtual reality. I'm Ellery. Today I will introduce virtual reality, which is referred to as VR. It uses computer analogy to generate a three-dimensional virtual world, providing users with an analogy experience about vision and other sense. Through posture tracking and 3D display enable users to experience an immersive experience as if they are immersed in the scenes. Currently, standard VR systems use VR glasses or a multi-projection environment to generate realistic images, sounds, and other sensations, analogous to the user's real presence in the virtual environment. People use VR devices can look around, move around, and interact with other virtual features or objects. Typically, this effect is created with a head-mounted display which contains a screen worn in front of the user's eyes, but can also be achieved through specially designed rooms with multiple large screens. VR usually includes auditory feedback and visual feedback and can also provide other sensory and force feedback through vibration feedback. However, nowadays, more and more people are using VR in our lives. Next, our team members will introduce examples of VR utilization in our lab.
Hello everyone, I am Meili. The example of VR live application I want to introduce is VR games. VR games is a term used to describe a new generation of computer games that use virtual reality VR technology, which provides players with first-person game action and can be experienced with sensor gloves, handhelds, controllers. Richer games are also designed in various categories, such as shooting games, fitness sports games, and music games. In addition, I would like to introduce fitness games in detail. Modern people who propose exercise but are too lazy to go to the gym can buy VR fitness games. It allows you to exercise while playing games, allows you to have fun while exercising. It is very convenient and interesting about this product, a design that is also a game that modern people often buy.
Hi, I am Ben. Today I want to talk about VR. VR can not only be used in game, but also in the military. In terms of military, what we can accomplish in VR is not only displaying scenes, but also stimulating combat. Currently, the major applications are get familiar to the features of battleground by providing virtual and oral simulation of trainees, interact with opponents in virtual world to accomplish providing the immersive feeling as if in the real world, playing strategy in virtual battlegrounds by using scenarios, scenes, equipment, and armies which are stored in database. What are the advantage of using VR in training? Avoid injury or fatality. Ignore the limitation of weather and environment. Lowers cost and requirement of space, which reduce the average cost of per play. Change parameters like scenarios, scenes, numbers, and weathers. simulate large scars, warfare easily, record and replay footage of the training process, establish dedicate big database with different parameters of each training.
Hi, I'm Kelly. Virtual reality is often considered to bring a series of factors related to human health and safety. So today I want to explore some doubt about VR technology and make some suggestions. First of all, the most obvious thing is the possible impact on the physical and mental health of users. Long-term use in a virtual environment may lead to decreased eyesight, headaches, and other problems, which may affect the quality of life of users. In addition, some people are worried that long-term immersion in the virtual world may have a negative impact on mental health, such as increasing long lines or blurring the boundary between the real world and the virtual world. For this doubt, we can make some suggestions to deal with them. For example, we should encourage users to pay attention to moderation when using VR equipment. Avoid continuous use for a long time, and regularly rest and look at the distance to reduce eyes and other discomfort. In addition, we can develop smarter VR technologies, such as detecting users' physiological indicators and provide leveling, corresponding warnings or suggestions to help users maintain their physical and mental health. In general, although VR technology has brought many good opportunities, we cannot ignore its potential doubt by taking appropriate measures. We can maximize the advantage of VR technology and minimize its possible negative effects.
Hey, I'm Brian. The future of virtual reality VR is exciting. In a world as technology continues to advance, we can foresee more risky and impressive virtual experiences. VR may play an important role in education, in care, entertainment, and the other fields, bringing people new sensory experiences and interactive methods in addition with the productivity and price reduction of hardware equipment. More people will be able to easily enjoy the fun and benefits brought by VR technology.